Hello, welcome to InsectX, Information Security Technologies, training on penetration testing with Metasploit. In this video series, we shall cover the in-depth usage of Armitage. Armitage is a graphical user interface front-end tool developed for Metasploit framework, and this Armitage tool is developed by Armitage. By using this, one can easily perform basic exploitation. They can import large hosts, even they can create the dynamic workspaces. This makes the penetration testing much easier. So in this introduction video, we shall configure and we shall install this particular Armitage tool. If this particular Armitage tool is not working properly, you can use apt-get command and you can start doing the installation. And even before that, if you're using the Kali Linux, it comes in default. Before launching the Armitage, what you need to do is you need to depend on these following two services, that is the PostgreSQL and the Metasploit. Now let's start the Armitage tool. So now let's open up our terminal and let's start the services. And the second service what we need to start here is Metasploit service. And now type Armitage and hit enter. Click on connect. Yes. Takes few seconds for connecting. In the meanwhile, let me pause my video. And finally, you can see here, we got Armitage console. So now what we shall do here is, first of all, we shall exploit this particular machine. Okay. So it's very simple. What you need to do here is, we just need to add the hosts. Go to the host and here you need to click on add host. Click on add. Okay, you can see one machine has been added, but we don't know the machine. Okay, so let's perform basic scan. It takes few auxiliary modules from the Metasploit itself, and it performs a scan, and finally even it determines what is the operating system. You can see here over the console the scanning operation is going on, and it has determined that it is running on the Windows Service Pack 2, language is English, and the domain is workgroup. Cool. And now what we will do is we shall perform basic attack. Okay, so before attacks, what we shall do here is we shall go to the attacks and we shall click on find the attacks. So it will check the suitable exploits for the following machine. If the vulnerability existed, means it will show the matching exploits for this XP box. Okay, now you need to click on the screen that is on this particular XP box icon. Go to the attack, SMB, MSO8 061_net API, and you can see this here automatically. It has assigned all the default values, lhost value, lport value, rport value, rhost, everything. Okay, just you need to click on launch, and you can see some change over here. Can you see some thunderbolt symbol over here? That means you can say this machine is compromised. Okay, so now let's say that if you want to interact with this particular machine, you can do that. Now we will be getting the VNC access. Take some time. In the meanwhile, you can access the files, Okay, if you want to dump the hashes, you can do that. If you want to steal the tokens, everything. Okay, so now what we will do here is we shall try to interact with the few services. Let me open up this particular command shell. You can see I am on this particular command shell. Okay, mkdir, it creates a directory with the name 123. You can see it's been created today, right? Okay, that's all for this video. In the next video we shall cover the advanced features of this particular Armitage.